Yo, 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 what is going on, people? Hope you're doing well. Back with another video. Yeah, I'm excited for this one. We're sort of carrying on from the last video, which was, oh God, I can't even remember now. Shit. It was an SMMA video. Yeah, last SMMA video, it was, oh yeah, how to book clients easily. And this potentially could have been mentioned in the other video, but I'm going to mention it this one. This video is all about how to find the right niche. You know, especially for beginners, it can be quite a challenging topic. You know, a lot of people beginning, they don't know what to do. There's so many niches out there, so many different kind of businesses, so many things that you could go into, some which are right and wrong. You know, it's not just a preference thing. There are right answers and there are wrong answers, but we'll get into that because it gets a bit technical. So yeah, as I said, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Honestly, I really appreciate the support you guys are giving me on both the trading and the SMMA stuff. Just so yeah, a couple more admin points. You know, I like to do my admin. An ultimate goal of mine is to make the channel educational, so for either the SMA or the trading, but then to do some lifestyle stuff as well. And I thought I would put them in the same video. So it'd almost be like I might either showing my trades or teaching trades, teaching SMA. And then after that stuff ends, you know, it's just my life, because I also want to build a personal brand. And I think that'd be really enjoyable. So I might start rolling out that kind of content, potentially even in this video. This is quite a big video, so I might start with this one. But we'll see. So just, yeah, if you guys could give me feedback on that, that'd be great in the comments. And also remember, Instagram, I reply to absolutely everybody. If you have questions or just want to be around like-minded people, iron sharpens iron. My Instagram is @midmoneytrader, all lowercase. That was @midmoneytrader. And yeah, if you've got any questions, fire them my way. I'll be happy to answer them. Cool. So let's get cracking into this. I have the charts up behind me. I've got a couple trades I'm watching. Just waiting for liquidity to be swept on either side, and then, yeah, we'll see. Cool. So, number one, they're not in any particular order. These are just 7 of the, in my opinion, the best niches for beginners. So we'll get right into it. I'm a beginner, so why not start with the niche that I went with first? Me personally, I don't really mind about niches. I haven't chosen one specific niche. I don't think that matters too much, but then again, mastery can never hurt. So if you want to master one niche, by all means, go for it. So my first client is in the gym and fitness industry. They're on a boutique, you know, personal group training gym. And I think those are great choice. Gym owners are usually friendly. It's, you know, it's a win-win. You're getting money and you're also making people go to the gym to get healthy. It's all beneficial for the world. And especially those little boutique personal training gyms, they can actually be quite high ticket. You know, for like a month, it's like 140 quid for the gym I'm working with for the group training and things. So if you're working on commission based, you could be getting 30% of that, or it just allows you to charge a higher upfront monthly cost, because each client, you're getting them like 150 quid, which is, it's great for them. So that's another good one. The key with all these ones is you kind of want to go with high ticket, you know, from a financial standpoint. That allows us to charge a higher price. You know, who doesn't like some more money, eh? So the second one is real estate. Obviously massive high ticket there. Houses are bloody expensive. But when I was learning, I saw lots of people doing, pure real estate SMMA. I think they were doing well. I mean, just take a look around. Houses are everywhere. Some shit ones, some good ones, you know. So it depends on where you live. There'll be different houses, but if you can advertise for these real estate companies, then you're in the fucking money, aren't you? You know, it'd be sweet. The issue is with most real estate, you know, they're pretty well established. You know, I can't really go in my local area and go to a real estate, you know, it's Clark and Gammon, it's whatever. They're already pretty highly established, and chances are I have a marketing team already. So if you're a beginner, it might not be the best one, but if you gain a couple bits of experience before and then go into real estate, great choice personally. The third one is e-commerce. Yeah, I truly believe e-commerce is great. I mean, the world is moving digital. We know that, of course. So why not hop on the bandwagon early? If you're advertising for these online companies, that's where the market's heading. There's a lot of demand online and digital. So companies selling these, online products, they're going to have a lot of demand. And we're advertising online, so people are already online. It just shortens the consumer journey, which is how long it takes for the consumer to see the ad to purchase the product, which is always good because people's attention spans now is pretty much just like a goldfish. That's a whole nother rabbit hole we can go into, but not in this video. We'll save that one. So yeah, fourth one is med spas. I was speaking to a mate of mine, a recent mate of mine. He's a pretty cool guy. He specializes in med spas. I met him from these videos. And he specializes in med spas, and that did give me a good idea. Med spas are a great shout. They're high ticket. They 100% cost a lot. Not that I've been to many, I can't really personally say, but I'm sure they're expensive. I guess the con with them is there's not that many around, so you will have to do the cold calling. You can't really take my tip about going local. Unless you have one local, then fair game, that's all you. I'd recommend going after that one. But yeah, high ticket for med spas. And the good thing with Facebook ads, like we've said, guys, is you can just target such specific audiences. So what do you want? A med spa, okay? Elderly woman. Elderly woman with not much to do in a rich area. What do they want to do? Okay, they'll go get a massage, they'll go get the med spa, just target them, and it's just boosting your chances of success. I don't think there's that many barriers to entry for a beginner. I think that's a good shout. It's med spas. The the fifth one is construction and like blue collar jobs. This could be anything: building, roofing, guttering, plumber, electrician, could be anything, just any of those jobs. They're very high ticket and they're very in demand. That's another key point, guys. Go for stuff that is in demand. There's no point advertising for businesses that people just don't give a fuck about. Why would you do that? No one's going to buy the product. Go for stuff in demand and your job will be so much easier. It's as simple as that. And yeah, as I said, all of those blue collar jobs, they are very high in demand. In my house here, we've got like a plumber one week and then gutterer the next week. It's like everything needs working, stuff breaks down. And so that's a very good choice, especially with beginners. No barriers to entry there. Just go for it. A lot of the owners as well, another pro is that they don't really know what they're doing when it comes to marketing. They're good at what they do. They're good at plumbing. They're not good at this online marketing stuff. So we do it for them. They love it. We get them sales. They pay us. Simple. It's so that's a great choice for beginners. Number 6 is bathroom and kitchen refurbishing, stuff like that. Again, massively high ticket. Especially depending on the area you live. I live in relatively wealthy area, and so there's a lot of people that have the money to splash on new kitchens and new bathrooms. They want it looking nice, so they just spend 20k getting a new kitchen. It's like 20 fucking k. If it's 20k, that makes you charging 2k a month nothing, and that's a lot. 2k a month. I do not recommend charging that as a beginner, but you can. If you're getting them one client for 20k, they'll be more than happy to give you 2k. You just got them 18k. And so that kind of depends on the area you live. But again, not many barriers to entry. Some of them will be good at marketing, some of them won't be. But I think that one's a good shout to go for. There's one in my local area, which I was just building up experience before going to ask them. Because they're that really high ticket, I want to know exactly what I'm doing so I can charge a higher price. It's all strategic, this game. If you can work that out, then you'll be fine. And the last one, number 7, is like hairdressers and nail salons. Especially in my area, like I said, there's a lot of rich women. They don't always have stuff to do, so they always go get their nails done, their hair done. It's not me trying to be, I don't know, stereotypical, whatever, but that's just a fact. They're always packed, the hairdressers, which it can be a good thing and a bad thing. If they're always packed, they probably don't need you to advertise for them to get people, but some of them do. Who doesn't want more money? Who doesn't want more clients? It seems like a no-brainer. And there's a ton around here. They're always it's a very competitive market where I live, so why not help one out and boost their competition with Facebook ads. You know, I look on the ads library around here and there's not many that do ads. I don't know if they don't know what they're doing or maybe they don't need them, but you might as well just ask as a beginner. Just shoot your shot, cold call, go ask for a meeting in person, email them, all of that. Just do it, man. Just do it and you'll never know. You just got to take that leap, you know, just do it. So yeah, that was 7 of what I think the best niches are for beginners. You know, I'm in one of them. You know, I'm doing this live. I'm not just saying this to you guys. So that's just my opinion, guys. Obviously, there are many, many niches out there. You take your pick. But yeah, I hope you guys found value in this video. And yeah, that's it for the SMMA stuff today. Let's get it. Okay, people, we have had a very productive day. Watch the charts. Although my setup hasn't come up, it's okay. Some days are no trade days. Reached out to a second SMMA client, so waiting on them to get back to me. Watching my ICT YouTube videos, they're fairly long, so I'm learning every day, all day, and shot a lot of content. So about to go on a bike. About to go over to my other house, so my dad's house, and we're gonna train. We're gonna work out exactly as you mind. So let's get it. Oh, thank God it's not raining. God, UK, my people who's watching from the UK, you know how it goes, man. Oh, weather is shocking. It fucking sucks. So it's going to be slippy on the ground. So if I don't make it, you don't hear from me. I've probably slipped and died again. It's a couple of times now. I've got quite a lot of risky things going on. So yeah, hopefully we make it, eh? Let's see how it goes. Cool, we've arrived at Dad's, I think all in one piece, so let's go work out. Okay, this is a real shame. I just filmed all of this portrait, which obviously isn't going to work for the YouTube. So we'll do it again, and I'm really tired now. And I'm not going to be able to lift as much as I could in the first video, so I'm not going to get as many reps, so don't hate on me for that. But okay, what was I saying? Yeah, we're here at Dad's. With this beautiful thing, little bench, and I was saying, on a serious note, guys, like you have to work out. You know, you have to either run, you have to work out, you have to swim, you have to train, you have to do something to get your body moving. It clears the mind, it pushes yourself. After you've done it, you have a great sense of accomplishment. You're not just a lazy fuck, you know. That's what we're all about. We're all about becoming a better person, you know, upping ourselves, becoming financially stable, but also becoming the best version of yourself, you know? You know, I'm training for the discipline, training to get big. I mean, I'm already pretty massive anyway. No, I'm joking, I'm fucking skinny as shit. But we're getting there, you know, that's the problem. It's a goal that you work towards and you feel good once you accomplish it. You know, because we're not lazy on this channel, none of us are. So let's get into it. Like I said, I'm already just ripped out a couple sets, so fuck that, who put that fucking thing there? Okay. Stupid. little bit there. I thought the last rep wasn't going to go up. That would have been bad. Would have been funny for you guys, but that would have been bad. Whew. Okay, I actually did as many as I wanted, 10. God, no, that's what I'm saying. It feels good now. But yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to have this workout and then I'll see you back at the studio, back at home. God, I'm very lucky where I live. All it takes is going out on the bike and just going up in the hills. Honestly, I'm blessed. You know, you can't overwork yourself. Sorry if you can't see me, guys. You can't overwork yourself, otherwise you will burn out. You know, that's inevitable. And so just taking time in the fresh air, honestly, it really helps. I recommend it to all of you guys. So yeah, this is how I'm spending my evening. I hope you guys enjoy yours.